Hi guys, let's talk about the most contradictive designers, Victor and Rolf. They have made a point of leaving serious couture with contradiction, improv, and humor. This collection was titled Victor and Rolf's Scissorhand Couture, but with a punk attitude. You know the feeling when you want something but you also want the opposite? You're torn between the two? Well, they actually decided to tear up all their pieces. Yes, that was the whole idea. The collection is divided in groups. The first look is a perfectly constructed garment, while the other looks represents the possibilities an atelier could achieve with a pair of scissors and experimentation. So it's like on one hand, it's about wanting something which is elegant and polished, and on the other hand, it's all torn and raw and direct. Like you could see models with bodies half flashed, tulle skirts with midriff peeled away. Some of the pieces were looking as if the models had a fight backstage and one of them just ripped the other by the bust. There was a wacky and raw element to each of the deconstructed garments. Each finished couture look was followed by the three experimental alterations. This collection was a total avant-garde experience. If you don't know what that means, this is the perfect example for it. It's out there, it's fun, it's funky. I'm not sure how they're gonna incorporate these pieces in the future events. But Victor and Rolf are the designers who don't really care about their sales technicality. It's more about the inspiration they're going with. The collection is always very creative and memorable. That's why maybe they always get viral. Remember this dress and laughing over it? And this? And this? Yes, they are from Victor and Rolf, and that's how you do it. Toodles!